question 97. What happens if I become ill or decide to downsize my business? So we're happy for you to send a replacement person in your place for webinars or to mentoring, or if you have someone who's going to help you in filling that gap in running your day-to-day business. We will support you providing it's reasonable and within our power to do so. Having made a decision to downsize your business, however, will not release you from the contract of paying your license fees or the fees for your training. So if your circumstances are due to change, or you anticipate a change, please do not go ahead with the training or the license until you are certain that you know that it's the right thing for you to be doing. Once you have made a commitment to take up training with us, if you have made payment with us in our office, then you have 5 days within which to claim a refund. If you have made an online payment or bank transfer, you have 14 days within which to claim a refund. After that, you are in a contract with us, which is legally binding. It adheres to the trading standards rules. So if you get partway through your training and decide you don't want to do the rest of it, you will not be due a refund if it has been more than 14 days since you signed that agreement with us or took up the agreement to take up training with us. So likewise, the same thing applies with your license. Once you decide to go ahead with a license, you have 14 days within which you can reevaluate that decision on the basis that we have set up an online payment system for you to do that. Beyond that point, the license is a legally binding contract, so if there are going to be some changes that were unforeseeable, then we will absolutely support you in having someone else step into your shoes, someone that you appoint who can keep things ticking over until you're able to step back in again.